Just like Mr. Disney, he has a vision to create a magical world. Mr. Hershey has the vision of building a very forward-thinking community to his factory workers. Back in the 19th century, the working and living conditions were very poor. Mr. Hershey wanted his workers to have good access to housing, employment, education, and recreational facilities. He built such a town funded fully by his company and his family charity foundations. To learn more about his work, make sure you stop by the Hershey Museum. You can still see a lot of his chocolate culture in his town today. Hershey, Pennsylvania is a fantastic place for family vacation. They have a fully facilitated campground for RVs. You can also rent a cabin. You can also choose to stay in their hotel. Your kids are going to love the Chocolate World theme parks with the water park in it. You'll find good food and fun place to shop.